This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Remove or reposition the inner fender well splash shield from the side of the car that you are changing the bulb on. Disconnect the electrical connector, then remove the rubber dust cap. Release the retaining spring from the bulb and swing it out of the way. Remove the headlight bulb. Install the headlight bulb, aligning the notches correctly with the recesses in the housing. Be careful not to touch the bulb surface with your fingers. Secure the retaining spring over the bulb, locking it into place. Install the rubber cover over the bulb. Connect the bulb electrical connector. Install the fender well splash shield and secure it with the necessary fasteners.